Hi, my name is Hiro from Main Concept. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate Main Concept products online. The activation process requires internet connection. If you are activating on an offline computer, we have another instruction for it. The same activation scheme is used across different Main Concept products such as Totoko Studio, MC Live Encoder, FFmpeg plugin, and more. So once you get familiar with this instruction, you can activate the other Main Concept products exactly in the same way. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to install the application. In this video, I'm going to use Totoko Studio as an example, and I have it already installed. At this point, I have only installed the application, but not yet activated my license, so the application is still running in the demo mode. When you purchase Main Concept application products, you receive a ticket ID. If you purchase online, you receive it by an email. A ticket ID looks like this. You can simply copy and paste the whole line to the web browser. This is much quicker than typing it in. However, if you only have it printed, typing just works as well. You can use any modern web browsers, but please make sure it is up to date. Now hit enter and Codemeter License Central will appear. If you have multiple items, here you have a chance to select which one to activate on your current system. Otherwise, you can simply hit the Activate Now button and it will start the activation process. It's going to take a while. It says the activation is complete. Now let's get back to the application and see if it's activated properly. Now, as you see, my Totoko Studio is activated. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful, and if you liked it, please hit the subscribe button, and see you next time.